If you're looking for a Coursera Cybersecurity certificate review, you're probably wondering whether these certificates are actually worth your time and money. In this video, I'll explain what you learn, who they're best for, and whether Coursera Plus is the smarter option. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is usually a much better value than purchasing individual learning programs. One of the most popular options is the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. It has a 4.8-star rating with more than 68,000 reviews and is designed for beginners with no previous cybersecurity experience. The program covers threat management, network security, incident response, Linux, Python, SQL, vulnerability management, and security operations through hands-on learning. Another excellent option is the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. This program focuses on practical job skills including digital forensics, penetration testing, threat intelligence, cloud computing, incident response, and network security. It's a great choice if you want broader exposure to real-world cybersecurity tools and workflows. If you're completely new to cybersecurity, I also recommend starting with Foundations of Cybersecurity by Google. This beginner-friendly course introduces security controls, cyber attacks, cyber risk, and network security before moving into more advanced topics. So, are Coursera cybersecurity certificates worth it? If you're looking to build practical skills, earn recognized credentials, and prepare for entry-level cybersecurity roles, the answer is yes. These programs are created by leading companies and include hands-on labs and career-focused content. The next question is whether you should buy one certificate or subscribe to Coursera Plus. Individual learning programs typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to complete multiple certificates or study related topics like Python, cloud computing, IT support, networking, or AI, the costs can add up. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription, allowing you to earn unlimited certificates while exploring multiple career paths. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.